Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The box itself is tiny, factory sealed, so there's probably nothing inside. Double satisfaction. Ooh. Triple satisfaction. Wow. Wow. Case? You wish. No. There'll be no case. Just the manual and SIM card tool. Yep. Wait a minute. This is a cable. USB Type-C cable. Damn. That is cold. Feels very nice in the hand. It is cold, or freezing cold. Outside it's cold, so wow. Huge slab of titanium. Satisfaction. So on the right side, we do have a power button, volume buttons, antenna. On the bottom also antenna. Microphones. Antenna. Antenna. We don't know what that is. A pen. Speaker. USB Type-C. Microphone. And SIM card tray. And antenna. Let's put it back. And of course, huge ultra lenses on the back. Wow, check out this one. This one is so huge. It is humongous. Bam. Bam. It is quick. Again. And again. And again. That is a quick fingerprint sensor. Alright, the screen is so dark. Let me switch to something brighter. Okay, something more brighter. Oh yeah, that is very bright. See how quick that was? It is very, very quick. This smartphone is at the next level of responsive experience. Wow. Intense. Alright, let's test the AI. Okay, what do we have here? We do have a charger for the batteries. Bam. Holding the button. And then circle around it. And it should show us exactly the same charger. Exactly the same. In a matter of seconds. Look, I've went to the gallery. And I basically did the same. Found some shoes. Make a picture. Scroll. And immediately I found the same shoes. In Google. Yeah. That is freaking incredible. Let me just edit. And now I can circle it, you see? Very nice. Hold it. And I'm going to put it somewhere else. Maybe in here. What will happen to the... Generate. Adding the missing pieces. Is going to handle it nicely. Holy sh... Okay, that is a little bit of... Yeah. But that is fantastic. I love it. I love it. And it's super cool. Alright. Let's see the camera itself. We do have a portrait mode. Dual recording. If you want to. There you go. Dual recording. Alright. Let's go back. In a picture mode. I'm assuming we're in a picture mode. Yeah. 06. Let me bring something... 06 1 3. Whoa, you can see how nasty that is. A lot of dust, very nasty. That is crazy. And also front facing camera behind the cable. That is looking very nice. Video 4K 60, and you can go all the way to 8K 30 frames per second without any crop. That is a cool thing to see, and it's way easy to use without any crop. If we hit more and if we hit Pro Video, then you can record in 120 frames per second for UHD, just 4K. Let's go back. We have Pro Photo, Portrait Video, and stuff like that. Let me show you some samples. Oh, nice. I will make a separate video for the camera itself. Let me show you some samples, and there'll be a link in the description for you to download original samples without any compression at all. try a little bit of zoom. Wow, now that is a zoom experience. It's really good. 28. And wide angle. We're adding a little bit of nuggets from McDonald's. Switching to the front-facing camera during the recording is amazing. Autofocus in front-facing camera, 4K, 16 facing camera. If we switch to the wide angle, we do have autofocus and wide angle lens, which is incredible. Bam. And switching during the recording to the front and back. It's so easy, intuitive, and fantastic. And it really helps with vlogging and stuff like that. They really do. See? You don't have to create like 10 files. Just switching during the recording. And with the wide angle lens, you can see it all. Wow. Speakers. Gorgeous sounding speakers. I bought myself a couple of cases for Spigen. This will be another video, so stay tuned. Yeah. Cases coming soon. See you next video. Bye.